A day in our life. Pumunta nga pala kami dito sa mall para sa small errands namin for today. Kaso, naisipan ng asawa kong pumili nito. Kaya naman hindi na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. Abay, napadaan lang kami din sa shop na RA
You can just
tunay
swipe
na.
at that side, this side, to increase the volume for the music. Record videos on this one, you have to just press the button on the bottom. It's like they're right there. This one. Otherwise, it's just like... Do you want to open them right now?
Yeah, sure.
The seal right here. And you can just open the box. So the lead is going to be right. Yeah, there's extra nose pad if you remove. And then you can just scan this one to see all the functioning and everything right over here. How you have to like download the app and like make sure.
Oh, this is the manual, hey?
Yeah, this is the map.
So when I'm charging, just put it inside?
Yeah. Just
Thank you very much.
Okay na. Ano ko, katuwa.